The Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is the safest smartphone you can buy. Compared to the Galaxy Note 7 and its unfortunate tendency to catch fire, that's a very good thing. Sadly, in its quest to create a phone that doesn't spontaneously set ablaze, Samsung forgot to make a phone that has any fire at all. The new Note 8, while technically impressive, reeks of a company unwilling to rock the boat. What could have been 2017's most exciting phone is an exercise in restraint, and a letdown. Lucky for you, competition to take the Note 8's spot is just heating up. Nothing new to see here. The Galaxy S8 is a great phone, and one of our favorites in 2017. It's beautiful, capable, and selling in great numbers. On arrival, the infinity screen stood out as its big new feature, which was a good thing because otherwise the Galaxy S8 wasn't a big technological leap forward in smartphone history. That's because Samsung was saving itself for the Galaxy Note 8, right? After all, the Galaxy Note 7 introduced several exciting features to the range and the lineup, including iris scanning, water resistance, and an even more sensitive S Pen stylus. Now the Galaxy Note 8 is here, we know the answer, no. The Note 8 is basically a slightly less pretty Galaxy S8 Plus with a stylus. Samsung got the formula right with the Galaxy S8, the sales proved it, and because the Note 7's advancements caused problems, it appears Samsung decided to play it really safe with the Galaxy Note 8. Even the designers seem to have held back, giving the Note 8 squared-off corners, fewer curves, and flatter sides. Careful, it seems like they thought, let's not push our luck. The one feature that does separate the Note 8 from the S8 Plus is the dual-lens camera. It's a lot like the Apple iPhone 7 Plus's dual-lens camera, and pretty much all the other dual-lens cameras out there. It's a safe, established feature Samsung thought up by watching other phone makers do it first. Yes, there are other new features.